If you had 24 hours with me and I couldn't say no, what would we do?
Well, that's easy. Of course, we'd go study turn aggregated reports. Hello Wizards, and other updates here, and this time we're releasing the feature you've all been waiting for, turn aggregated reports. We brainstormed a lot about how we should approach the reports and decided to go with 3 completely different views: the default view, the chart view, and the table view. Each view has its own advantages. Let's take a look at the default view first. For starters, we've merged aggregated reports with the solution browser so you can access them quickly while studying any spot. Once you get to turn and click on reports, you'll be in the default view. You can switch between the views using the drop-down menu. By default, you can see strategy here for every turn card, but you can also check your EV or compare the EV of both players at the same time. It works completely the same for equity and equity realization as well. You can also sort all cards by their suits or by their actions. On the right, we have a summary table with the data for both players, the frequency graph, and all actions. Don't forget, even here you can filter by the actions. You can also see the data for all turn cards, or you can group them. So, for example, you can see how you should play on the different turns based on their suits, or if the board would get paired. And you can filter the strategy to see how you should play on the turns if you hold a specific hand. If you prefer to visualize data using charts, then you're going to love the chart view. You can either view data for one player or compare them for both. Here, you can also sort all the cards by their rank, which is impossible in the default view. And if you prefer to visualize data in sheets, then the table view, which you're already familiar with from the flop reports, is the one for you. You can also filter here or sort the data by any column. And don't forget, the grouping works in any view. So give it a try, find out what suits you best, and enjoy! With this update, we've also improved the Ranges tab by coloring all the data based on which player has an advantage. And you can now choose if you want to view strategy, EV, equity, or just the range for both players. This will give you enough flexibility to compare both players' ranges. Lastly, we've added support for 888 Poker and PP Poker to Hand History Analyzer. Hand History Analyzer is still comparing your hands against our basic solutions, but that'll change soon. And if you haven't seen, we've released entirely new general ranges for 6 max no limit 50 and no limit 500, with 3 to 5 sizings and improved pre-flop ranges. These solutions are solved with high accuracy, so definitely check them out. So thanks for watching this video, Wizards, and see you all next time.